What's up, traders? Julian here from jlewistrading.com. We're going to do a quick review on the S&P 500. This is day 2 of a massive sell-off. Now, just a couple nights ago, we were talking in Ask a Trader about this key level right through here around this 50-day simple moving average. This, to me, was a very simple concept. I've been hearing about a lot of traders going long right off this candle, off of that 50-day simple moving average, thinking that this was going to be a technical bump. Now, it does make sense from the perspective of this level right through here now being a support area. Now, that's not what happened, and what I said in Ask a Trader was very simple. If 2863 holds to the upside and we get a reversal across those moving averages, we will see some action long. But I also did say in the same conversation that on the flip side, and this is what part of being a trader is about, on the flip side, if 2863 goes, we're going to be checking in with the 100-day and 200-day simple moving average. Now, I was right on one front, but I was wrong on another, because I honestly thought price action was going to come down to the 200-day simple moving average, maybe hold, and then bounce off there, and we would get a little bit of reprieve, but that didn't happen. I also forecasted on Twitter earlier today, feel free to check it out, that if that 200-day simple moving average was taken out, the 2700 roughly was going to be the new area of support. You can see that the market right now is trending at 2728. So 2728 points, pardon me, above where I was calling for at that low. But we'll see. I mean, this is a big sell-off. We haven't seen a massive drop like this in a while. It's big. Nobody knows exactly where this is going to stop. As a trader, I love market volatility. But to be completely honest, we were still long today. So we were trading price action to the upside on a lot of our low float stocks and did exceptionally well. Shorted a few things, also did well. But none of this really affects what we do. And so, we are directionally agnostic. We are just looking for price action to move. We are employing our strategy long, short, and we're just taking opportunities where they come up. So if you're an investor, this hurts. If you're a trader, this is what you live for. We want to see these markets that start to trend. We want to see markets that get super volatile. And with respect to the S&P 500, I have absolutely no idea where this thing is going to go. But I do know that this is a level of support right through here, and it has been for quite some time. Is it going to hold 2700? Who knows? If it takes 2700 out, this is another level of support down through this general area, and again, some support down through this general area. So I'm not going to try and crystal ball this and try and figure out where the markets are going to stop their bleeding. I'm just going to do what I do. We have a market movers list that feeds us opportunities day over day over day over day. And we're just doing the same thing every single day. With respect to all the swing traders in the J. Lewis trading community, we're going to be putting out a swing trading list tonight for all of the shorts. There are a lot of overextended stocks that have not yet caught up to the market, and we're going to be putting out a trade alert tonight so you guys can take advantage of some of those trades. On the long side, on the long list that we put out about 3 days ago, 8 of the 10 stocks that we put out all hit target the day after I put them out. If you have any questions, feel free to email me. I'm at info@jlewistrading.com. The S&P is bleeding out right now. What a great time to get busy in the markets. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Hit that notification button. If you want to get involved with Ask a Trader and the Trade Alerts, there is a link in the description box below. By all means, check in, join us, see what the team is doing. We break down a lot of stocks, and we're hosting these live webinars for our members Tuesdays and Thursdays, 6 o'clock Pacific Standard Time. We're going to be doing it again tonight. If you have any questions, again, I am at info@jlewistrading.com. Thanks for watching this market review. We'll see you in the next one.